Hello everyone, this is Cody Meeker from Basecamp Trading. I just wanted to make a quick video here to go over NVIDIA. So NVIDIA dropped quite a bit today, down 4.38% from Friday's close. And we are shifting here on what's called the MQ Wind Wave Indicator, which is this kind of cloud here on my chart. We're shifting bearish. Also, our momentum is shifting back to the downside here. And we did get overvalued on these bars right here. We got overvalued, and we're dropping back down. So tomorrow, I'm going to look and see if we can get more follow-through to the downside based on the momentum. It's looking like we could keep dropping. So if we can get below today's low tomorrow, well, I think we could push down to the 171 area down here from where we bounced at. But that's just a trade I'm watching. Thank you, and have a nice day.